Hey guys, it's Katie, and today we're doing something a little bit different. It is going to be a Chillates workout. Yes, a mix of chilling and Pilates, because for the last 8 weeks, you have worked your booties off with the summer shape up. I cannot believe, one, it was our longest challenge we've ever done. You guys killed it the entire 8 weeks, like pushed it so hard and had fun doing it and are still here ready to rock. So to give you a little break in between, I thought we'd do some exercises that are great to keep your core super strong, but also stretch out and relax your body. So if you're ready to chill out with this Chillates workout, sweat the thumbs up, give it a little click, and let's get started on the mat. You don't need any equipment. Okay, so this workout is perfect to do if you are just wanting to stretch out your body, maybe as a warm-up or even a cool down post-workout, because again, a lot of it is focused on stretching, pulling some of my favorite things from Pilates, adding a little twist to them. So let's start on our backs. And if this is challenging for you, you can always start with your feet hooked under the couch. That might help you a little bit too. But I want you to bring your arms overhead. Just relax here. Imagine your lower body is like buried in cement, so it's nice and still. Draw your belly button in toward your spine and pull your rib cage together. So I know that sounds funny, but literally think about your rib cage pulling in and together as you contract your deep core muscles. Arms are gonna come overhead. You're gonna exhale and slowly roll all the way up, just to right here, just sitting straight up. So your feet are flexed, your shoulders are back and down, your belly's still tight, rib cage still in, and then slowly lower down. All the way, one vertebrae at a time. Exhale, roll up, and lower down. Trying to not move your lower body too much. Obviously, your feet are gonna shift forward a little bit as you sit, but you wanna keep your hips stable, and that's all about that core control. Not using momentum to like flail your body up. Good. Draw the belly button in, exhale as you come to sit. Inhale, one vertebrae at a time down. Exhale, squeeze that core, good. And lower. Now this time I want you to sit up, add on, you're gonna rotate over to your right, keeping your arms about shoulder height, twist from the core, getting a little oblique work. Inhale to center, exhale, lower down. And bring it up, twisting to the opposite side. On the exhale, and lower. Let's do 2 more on each side. Twist. Okay, come back to center. Do you feel those obliques? Yeah, little tiny twists, but sometimes when you slow things down and you use more of that control, they actually become a lot harder, but your body is gonna feel more change because it's forced to really work those muscles, not relying on that momentum. Last one. Exhale, twist. Inhale, center. And go as slow as you can. Slow, slow. This last one, down, 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 down. Okay, let it go. Exhale, shake it off. Bring your knees in. This next one, again, is all about the core, but it's so good. If you have a tight lower back, you're actually gonna get a little bonus massage here. So that's why I like this one. It's a little rolling in a ball. So you're gonna tuck into a ball, lift your hips, exhale, roll up, but try not to let your feet hit the floor. So right before they're gonna hit, that core locks into control, and then bring it back down. So you are like totally using momentum here to get up, but then you're using that core to stop yourself. Good. Nice and gentle. This one can be a big challenge as you're starting to strengthen your core, but it's so good for all those ab workouts we do, even our booty ones, our HIIT workouts. Having those inner core muscles strong is gonna give you so much more power and more control and allow you to push even harder. So this is a great way to start to strengthen it without just doing a bunch of crunches or something. Bring it back. Oh, this is kind of fun. Take it back down. Exhale up, let's do 4 more. For 3, 2, and last one. Hold it, hold it, hold it, hold it. Try to extend the legs. Hold for 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Exhale, slowly roll down, hug those knees into the chest. This is awesome too, like while you're watching TV. Just like a little something you can do, pretty chill. Your heart rate's not getting crazy high. You get to stretch it out and it feels good. Plus you'll still burn some calories. All right, so extend your right leg long. We're gonna do a single leg stretch. So you're just gonna pull that knee in toward your chest. Again, zip up your rib cage, pull the belly in. All these muscles are locked in and working. Little tuck of the pelvic. Pull that knee in nice and tight, and then exhale, switch. Maybe give it a little pulse, pull in twice, and switch. So you're gonna feel that stretch through the hip flexors, into the legs, but you're also working the core here. The key with any exercise we do, you guys, is to really focus on the muscles you are wanting to work. I talk about that all the time because it's easy just to kind of go through motions and miss out on some of the benefits. But right now, yeah, I could just use my arms to pull my leg in. But if I focus on my abs working to move the legs, to pull it in tight, you're gonna really, really start to ignite those lower abdominal muscles and your inner core muscles. Switch. Good. You can make this more challenging if you want, a little less chill, by just lifting the shoulders off the mat. Then you're really gonna feel those abs start to ignite. Good. And switch. Let's go. 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Exhale, quick break, plant your feet. We're gonna take that up a notch with a double leg. So you're gonna pull in and extend out. Pull in, use those abs, extend out. Inhale, exhale, keep that pelvic tucked a little bit. Good. Again, making it a bit more challenging, working more of the core, more of those abs. Shoulders off the mat, in and reach. Exhale, inhale for 4, 3, 2, hold it in a little tight ball, curl it in tight, and exhale, let it go, shake it out. All right, we have one more move. This is probably one of my favorite moves that we ever do, but we're gonna do it in this Chillates version. Chillates. So from here, you're gonna plant your feet. It's a variation of a bridge, but we're gonna do it differently. Normally in most of my workouts, when we do a bridge, you dig your heels in, you lift those hips, you're good to go. Pulsing. We're gonna go a little bit slower. So planting your heels in the floor. I want you to just tuck your pelvic a little bit as you pull that rib cage in. Again, like you're trying to lock them back together at center. So pull it in, belly button's tight, press your hands into the floor, and just tuck your pelvic a bit. And then one vertebrae at a time, articulating the spine from the bottom to the top. Lift, 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 just until you're in a straight line. So you're not arching your back up, you're not pushing them super high. I just want a nice neutral spine here. Plant those heels in, squeeze the booty. Again, pelvic's tucked, lift. And then one vertebrae at a time from the top all the way to the bottom, you're gonna slowly tuck and lower down. So it is a lot slower, a lot more control, and lift it back up than just our normal bridge. But you're gonna feel it more in the core. You're gonna be working all of those back muscles. Good, lift, lift, lift into the glutes. Good, the hamstrings, everything really working for you here. Nice and slow. Exhale. And inhale, lower. One more like this, and then we're gonna add on. Exhale. Inhale. Good, now walk your feet a little bit closer together. Bring your hips off the floor just to where we were going before. Plant your hands. Extend your right leg long, pointing the toe. Good, inhale up, flex the foot, and lower it back down. Point to lift it up, flex and lower down. For 4, 3, 2, last one. Good, keep the hips high, bend the knee, lower the foot. Extend the left leg long, point the toes. Again, make sure your hips stay nice and high, but not too high. Then lift it up and lower down. Flex the foot and lower. Good. Exhale, lift it up. Inhale, lower down. Lift and lower. 4 more. 4, tighten up that core. 3, 2, And last one. Good, plant both feet, lower the spine, slowly all the way down, hug the knees into the chest, maybe rock side to side, let it go, roll out, and now you can just chill. All right, you guys, so again, this workout is perfect while you're just chilling out, watching TV. You wanna kind of relax, but you still kind of wanna work your body and get your stretch on. If you liked it, comment below with the word chill so I know to bring you more like this. And I know the summer shape-up's over, but you guys, we seriously have so many good things coming your way all year long, including just our free daily workouts. So if you're not already signed up, I'll put the link below. Sign up for your weekly workout schedule. Come join us. And don't forget, good things come to those who sweat. So I'll see you next week for another awesome workout. Bye.